welcome back to another video. So today I am going to go to a garage, a very fancy garage actually, in Gloucester to go and pick up my mum's new car, guys. It's going to be a Volvo. Not going to say the, well, I've said the make, but I'm not going to say the number plate because why would you want to know the number plate? So I'll get rid of the number plate in the photos. I'll show you some videos inside of the car as well. So as it's a posh garage that we're going to, I thought we would go all out Harry Potter makeup bag and do some makeup routine, like party garage with me or something, like other people will call it. Right guys, we're now in the car on the way to the Volvo garage in Gloucester. I'm not gonna reveal the car just yet because it's gonna be a bit of a surprise for you guys. So yeah, we'll see you when we get there. Okay guys, so we are now in the new car. It is really nice actually. We've got quite big holders here, which we did not have in the old car. We've got some really nice air conditioning here as well. We got 3 cup holders. Yeah, we've got quite a lot of cup holders. There's sort of like a cup holder down here.
There's a cup holder here.
Yeah, which our other car definitely didn't have. It was just a slope here. But yeah,